Ebra wakasa won sentrofo nhyiamudie no ase no chairman of the National Peace Council ano Reverend Professor Emmanuel Asante hedi atudwa ese nanwa de sa wo hwe ensem a kane moderator Emma Presbyterian Church of Ghana Professor Emmanuel Mate eba bontin be kan na enam so momanfo bi adwim eya ye na amakwa kwa eti se National Peace Council no ase amanyofo ene chinchim wo mo eche om de wo mo enye nanso Reverend Professor Emmanuel Asante se enti sa de bia eda National Peace Council bedwa eden ho wo mu gina ho ema no kre na wo mu gina ho so ma atentene nti se bibi echi a wo mu gina wo mu na so se asomdwe bedwa eka ne pen ema babia no kre ne eda no omanfo nyina ehu nti wo mu de wo mu dwuma wo mu die no enye amanyofo na echinchim wo mu ewo kwan bia eso Reverend Emmanuel Asante eche ensem no emu no wo se National Peace Council Act emra wo mu de ye adwuma no so mbe chairman amwada abedwoko na no a empanyufo bedwa wo mu dodo esom edu amiensa 13 member board na etnasi esi ginaye ema wo yi chairman na obeda bedwa no ano eno no enye amanyofo anase aban na eyesa dwumadie no wodi nchemu eto UTV kasebo enim.
Under normal circumstances, we would not react to an issue that does not directly involve the National Peace Council. The Governing Council of the National Peace Council, however, considers the said statement to be very unfortunate, given that it does not only undermine the act that established the council, it also questions the integrity and independence of the council collectively and its eminent members individually. Unlike the impression created by the statement, members of the Governing Council of the National Peace Council are not appointed by a ruling government to promote partisan interest. To correct this unfortunate impression created in the minds of Ghanaians by the statement in question, we wish to draw attention to Section 4 of Act 818, which deals with the nomination of members of the Governing Council by their respective institutions and the election of a chairman by the council. We wish to assure fellow Ghanaians that the National Peace Council shall remain neutral and committed to our central mandate, which is, quote, to facilitate and develop mechanisms for conflict prevention, management, resolution, and to build sustainable peace.